What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. Today we are making Seitan Piccata with olives and green beans. Now traditionally, piccata is made out of some sort of slice of meat covered with a sauce made out of butter and capers and lemon juice. Sounds great. We're using seitan in ours tonight. We're gonna bread it, fry it, throw some parsley in there. There's gonna be some wine, not just in here. I think you're gonna like it. As always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. So as I said before, we're gonna be frying some seitan. So go ahead and grab a plate, grab some foil while you're at it, because this is where we're gonna put the seitan after we're done frying it. Grab a heavy bottom skillet, preheat this on a medium-high, and we're gonna grab a pound of seitan. Or you can make your own seitan in the video up there. But if you're lazy, just grab some seitan at the store. Now these are strips, and the measurements that this cookbook wants us to chop these into is very precise. If you want to, it's supposed to be around a little over 1/4 inch thick. Strips are going to be 2 inches by 3 inches. So you want them to be a nice little small, cutlets. We're not going to throw these away, obviously. We're going to fry these up too. But if you want to do it by the recipe, make them look something like that. Now we're going to coat our skillet in a whole layer of olive oil. You want to make sure that it coats the entire thing. We're going to grab our 1/3 cup of flour. We're going to dredge these each side. Now we're only going to fry half of these at a time. So grab them carefully. And we're going to do these for about 2 minutes per side until they're lightly browned. And we're going to go ahead and give them a flip. Try to keep that one together. Okay, I think we're good. Check these out. I'm just gonna throw the rest of these in here too. Why not? Now normally you probably shouldn't overcrowd these. Alright, now we're gonna use this to saute some other stuff. So don't throw that away, don't rinse it out, leave it there. Alright, before we do anything else, grab a huge pot. Alright, it doesn't have to be that big, but fill it with water, because this is going to be our green bean pot. In the meantime, grab your shallots and your garlic and get to chopping. So we need about a cup, a scant cup, as the directions spell out, of thinly sliced shallots. And we're going to chop our garlic. Fun fact! Although this is called a shallot here in America, in Australia, the same word is also used to describe the green onion, or as we like to call, scallions. One of the surprising nutritional benefits of shallots are the diverse amount of antioxidants they contain compared to other onions. Because of this, studies have shown a connection between shallots and a reduction of cancers such as lung, stomach, oral, colorectal, and breast cancer. That's one healthy onion. Alright, if you're like me and put far too much oil in there to begin with, take a little bit out. That's a good amount of oil. While we're waiting on this to heat back up, grab your green beans, give them a good rinse, and trim the ends. Now we're going to throw our shallots and our garlic in the same skillet. We're going to cook this for about 5 minutes. Once this is sauteed for about 5 minutes, we're going to throw in our white wine. And we're going to raise this to a rolling boil. Alright, we're already there, so let's throw in our vegetable broth. Our salt, black pepper, and thyme. And we're gonna bring this to another rolling boil, just so that it reduces about halfway. So it's gonna take about 7 to 10 minutes. In the meantime, grab your olives and cut them in half. Now, I forgot to tell you, we're gonna be putting all of this on a pile of mashed potatoes. That's right, as if it couldn't get it even more delicious, we're putting mashed potatoes in there. So get started on that, or just get some instant mashed potatoes. You're also gonna need the juice of 1 lemon, and 3 tablespoons of finely chopped parsley. Our sauce has reduced by about half, so we're gonna add our olives and our capers. We're gonna heat this through for about 3 minutes. While this is heating, grab your green beans and throw them in the pot. And we're gonna let these boil for about 3 minutes and then strain them. While those are draining, we're gonna turn off the heat for the sauce and add our lemon juice and our parsley. All right, now the fun part, we get to plate it. There are very specific instructions. Pile our mashed potatoes. We're gonna lay our seitan on top. We're gonna put our green beans vertically, like so. And we're gonna take our sauce and put a nice coating on it. Let's try it. Now, if this doesn't look fancy AF, then I don't know what does. That sauce is wonderfully tangy. With lemon. Of course, if you throw mashed potatoes in anything, I'm gonna be okay with it. Seitan is just slightly crispy. This is a very interesting dish. I would have never put all of this together. The sauce is bright and delicious. Of course, the capers add a nice zest to it as well. I feel like this would be a good date meal too. The presentation is kind of cool. All right, this is great. I don't have any complaints. And I'm gonna keep eating this. I hope you all like this. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to comment and share and subscribe and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. There's gonna be a lot of There's gonna be a lot of olive oil involved. I'm thinking I actually put a little bit too much oil in this. So if you didn't, I hope you liked what you saw. I know I did.